Huh? Yeah. The snowball on her front paw. Oh my gosh. Look at the ball. Come here, look at the balls on it.
I know.
Two balls on the front there.
No, where am I going to get that off?
Good question. I gotta go watch football.
Put her in the tree. Some hot water. She don't even care. You're just the happiest little doggy. Look at that snow on your face. Happy doggy.